Check it out. Carne Asada tacos? Come on, man. You know you want some. Keep watching. I'll show you how to make them. All right, the first thing we need to do is make our marinade. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna juice one whole lime into this bowl. There we go. Followed up by the juice of an orange. Just using this strainer to catch any seeds. There we go, that'll do it. Okay, now I'm gonna add garlic paste. This is 3 cloves of garlic. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is light soy sauce. If all you have is dark, you can go ahead and use that too. And 2, perfect. And then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of dark agave syrup. Get that last little bit out of there. Nice. Now I'm gonna add some dry spices. And in this little bowl here, I have some ancho chili, some ground ancho chili, some ground up Mexican oregano that's dried, some black pepper, and some cumin, some ground cumin, okay? We're gonna go ahead and add that to the bowl. All the measurements and ingredient lists are in the video description box below, so take a look at that. Also, we're gonna add a teaspoon of fine sea salt. There we go. We're gonna do a 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. You could just use regular olive oil or canola oil, vegetable oil, whatever you got. Give this a stir, and this should be plenty of marinade for about a 2-pound cut of meat. Perfect. Now the soy sauce and the citrus in this marinade, well, that's gonna help tenderize my cut of meat. The dried spices, oregano, salt, and pepper, those are gonna help flavor it, and the oil and agave syrup, well, that's gonna help brown the surface of the meat when I grill it. Speaking of which, let me show you what cut I'm using for this dish. This right here is beef loin flap meat. It comes from the belly of the steer near the flank. It's definitely lean, it's coarsely grained, and perfect for soaking up the marinade. It's also reasonably priced when you compare it to something like skirt steak. So just keep that in mind when you're shopping around for the cut you'll use for this dish, okay? All right, this is one of the rare times that I use a plastic bag for this, but it really does do a great job here. I'm just gonna make sure that the beef is laying flat in the bag. It's not overlapping at all, folded. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this marinade right into the bag with the beef. There we go. Try to get as much air out of it as possible, like that. And then just massage the bag. Make sure that meat is completely covered. Yeah, that's good. Now I'm just gonna refrigerate this beef for a few hours and let the marinade do its work. In the meantime, I'm gonna go work on firing up my grill. All right, guys, let me talk to you for a second about this company right here, Cutting Edge Firewood. These guys produce incredible firewood, okay? The stuff is super dense and super dry. It's mold-free, it's bug-free, it lights up in a snap. It's great stuff, okay? They offer a variety of species. They also offer a bunch of different cuts. You can get splits like this. All right, I'm gonna use this in my, my grill. You can get little mini cut pizza wood used in those portable high temp pizza ovens. You can get chunks for smoking. I mean, you name it, they got it. I left a link to their website in the video description box below. Check it out, read a little bit more about them. Place an order, I really think you'll enjoy their product. The stuff's great, okay? All right, on to lighting the grill. All right, in goes the fire starter, okay? Along with a piece of kindling. Let's just do that. There we go. I'm gonna light the fire starter. Then I'm gonna place 2 pieces of wood right next to this kindling, just like that. And 1 piece right over the top. All right, that should do it for now. I'm gonna give this fire some time to really get rolling. Eventually I'll drop the grates right on top and get those nice and hot in preparation to grill our steak. Oh yeah. If delicious had a sound, that would be it. Throw some onions on here too. I can grill those off. Oh man, it smells fantastic. What can I say, man? Whew, can't wait. Yeah, nice and grilled. Good color. All right, let's see here. Steak is coming off. I already pulled the onions. Everything's gonna rest for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll cut into it and build our tacos. Just forgot, we wanna grill off some corn tortillas here quickly while we still have some heat. And these are really nice store-bought tortillas, but if you wanna give making them at home a try, I've got a recipe on my channel. I'll leave a link in the upper right-hand side. here we are. I already cut up the onions over here. The grain of the steak goes this way. So I'm just gonna cut these into manageable pieces, and then like this. And then what I'll do is I'm gonna cut across the grain, like so. Oh my God, this looks fantastic. Look at this. Oh my God. I gotta try a piece. You'll notice on the ends here, okay, it's a little thinner. This stuff will be a little bit more well done. The center here, I would say is a nice, I'd say it's a nice medium. All right, let's see. It looks like plenty for 3 tacos. Let's do this. All right, let's see here. 1, 2, and 3. Steak. Oh yeah. It's all about the right proportions here. There we go. All right, let's go ahead. I'm gonna add some grilled onions, because why not? There we go. A little bit of salsa verde. Some queso fresco. There we go. Looks great. We'll just finish it off with a little bit of extra cilantro here. Perfect. How do those look? They look pretty tasty. Let's give one a try, huh? All right, as I like to say, a moment of truth. Man, that is banging. Everything goes together so well. The marinade doesn't overpower the steak. The salsa verde's got a nice punch. A little creaminess from the queso fresco. Even the fresh cilantro on top, a nice little touch. Everything's great. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I'm gonna crush these tacos and then give the rest of my family for dinner. Catch you guys next time. Man, unreal.